الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يتلونه حق تلاوته أولئك يؤمنون به ومن يكفر به فأولئك هم الخاسرون.
Those to whom we have given the scripture and who recite it as it ought to be recited, they truly believe in it. And those who disbelieve in it, they are the real losers.
يا بني إسرائيل اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأني فضلتكم على العالمين.
Children of Israel, recall my favor which I bestowed upon you, and I exalted you above the nations of the world.
واتقوا يوما لا تجزي نفس عن نفس شيئا ولا يقبل منها عدل ولا تنفعها شفاعة ولا هم ينصرون.
And beware of the day when no one shall avail another, when ransom shall be accepted from no one, when no one's intercession will profit anyone, when there shall be no help from any quarter.
وَإِذِ ابْتَلَى إِبْرَاهِيمَ رَبُّهُ بِكَلِمَاتٍ فَأَتَمَّهُنَّ قَالَ إِنِّي جَاعِلُكَ لِلنَّاسِ إِمَامًا قال ومن ذريتي قال لا ينال عهد الظالمين.
Recall when Abraham's Lord tested him in certain matters, and when he successfully stood the test, he said, Indeed, I am going to appoint you a leader of all people. When Abraham asked, And is this covenant also for my descendants? The Lord responded, My covenant does not embrace the wrongdoers.
وَإِذْ جَعَلْنَا الْبَيْتَ مَثَابَةً لِلنَّاسِ وَأَمْنًا وَاتَّخِذُوا مِن مَّقَامِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ مُصَلًّى وَعَهِدْنَا إِلَى إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَإِسْمَاعِيلَ أَن طَهِّرَا بَيْتِيَ لِلطَّائِفِينَ وَالْعَاكِفِينَ وَالرُّكَّعِ السُّجُودِ.
And we made this house Kaaba a resort for mankind and a place of security, commanding people, take the station of Abraham as a permanent place for prayer, and enjoined Abraham and Ishmael, purify my house for those who walk around it, and those who abide in devotion, and those who bow and who prostrate themselves in prayer.